Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I am filming from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the right way to mix your body lotion and your body oil in order to make your body lotion effective and to also reap the benefit of your body oil at the same time, regardless of the type of body oil that you are using. And of course, how you can combine these two together to get a glowing and even toned skin. Now, I have come across a lot of conversations on social media, on all social media platforms basically, and a lot of people have been complaining and saying, oh, that they don't know why they are using a particular body lotion that others are using, and it's brightening their skin, but it's making their own skin very dull or making them darker. All that the gospel of using good body oils has finally gotten to them, and they've tried one of these best body oils that a lot of skincare enthusiasts and creators like myself, but it seems like it's not working. My darling, first of all, what I need you to know about body oils is that there are different types of body oils, yes. And actually, there are two types of body oils, okay? There is the treatment body oil and the glow body oil. Now, what is the difference between these two? They are both body oils. They are also both going to give you a glowy skin. But a treatment body oils are body oils that promise, to maybe to reduce the appearance of fine lines on your skin, to reduce or totally eliminate your wrinkles, your stretch marks, any body oil that promises to also lighten your dark spots or fade them completely, or your hyperpigmentations. They are all treatment body oil. They are actually targeting specific skin concerns on your body, okay? Even if it means evening out your skin tone, it means that there are certain parts of your body that are not uniform and you want them to be uniformed or even toned, and these body oils do them for you. So any body oil that falls into the category of solving problems that you have on your skin are treatment body oils. And then there are the glow body oils that basically just help to glow and to brighten your skin. That is the only thing that they do, okay? They will not treat or reduce inflammation on your skin. They will not reduce appearance of fine lines or wrinkles or acne scars or stretch marks on your skin, but they are going to give you that glowing skin, that glowing shine that you want. I've seen people say that they use body oils, and in fact they bath themselves in it, but yet those body oils are not giving them that shine and making their skin to glitter. The reason is because you're using a treatment oil and not a glow oil. Now, how do you use a glow oil or a treatment oil with your body lotion in order to make it work? Now, to use a treatment body oil with your lotion, the first thing you want to do is, of course, go into the shower, take your bath, okay? After taking your bath and you're done, you dry your body. When you're drying your body, see whether you're using a treatment body oil or not. One way to make your lotion effective, okay, you guys, is to apply your lotion on damp skin. Now, I'm not saying wet skin. There's a difference between a wet skin and a damp skin. A wet skin is when you just finish taking your bath and you've not used your towel to towel your body dry. A damp skin is when you just gently pat the water dry on your skin, so that even you still feel like your skin is still wet. There's still water on your skin, but not the dripping water. That is when you're supposed to go in with your body lotion and allow it to soak into your skin pores, so that you can reap the benefits, all the amazing benefits that the body lotion that you're currently using promises. Now, I also almost forgot to mention that one major thing that body oil does is that it helps to lock in moisture on your skin. So generally, the best way to apply your body oil is to go in with your lotion first of all, like I already said, after taking your shower, and then going in with your glow or your brightening body oil to lock it in, so that you can actually reap the benefits of this. Now, in the case where you're using a treatment body oil, you can do the same thing, okay? I think I should even make it more practical. When you're using a normal glow oil, you use your lotion like this, okay? You can see I have my lotion on. Even if I'm doing it on a dry skin, you can, okay, I mean, I'm not just taking my bath right now. Let me open my body oil, okay, you guys. For the purposes of this video, even if what I have is a treatment oil, and then you take your body oil and then you apply it on it, you guys, can you see I've applied oil on this? I've not applied oil on this. Can you see the difference? When I now apply the oil on this, can you see this? Can you see this, you guys? Can you see this? Can you see the glow that it's giving me? I'm trying to see how the reflection of the sun doesn't affect it much, okay, so that you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see it? Yes. Now, if you need to apply a treatment oil, you can still do the same thing. Your body oil is still going to work for you. It's still going to take care of whatever it's supposed to do on your skin or solve that problem it is supposed to solve on your skin, your body lotion is still going to work. But because your body oil, which is a treatment oil, is actually targeted to maybe remove fine lines, wrinkles, scars, and the likes of them, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, sorry, on your skin, what you want to do is to go in with your body oil first, you guys. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to try to wipe this off, okay, so that we can test this out. Okay, I think this goes. So now for using your treatment body oil, as soon as you're done taking your bath, as soon as you're done taking your shower, and you've pat your skin dry, when it is still damp, remember we said when it is damp, not wet, you get your body oil, apply a generous amount. You guys, remember I said this for the purposes of this video, okay? That is why I'm using the quantity I'm using. You guys, you can see this is one reason why I like DSA products, okay? Even as much as they are treatment oils, they still give you that glow, okay, to your skin and keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. You now go in with your treatment oil so that those ingredients that have been put in the body oil to help it take care of those skincare concerns, those dark spots, hyperpigmentations, you know, wrinkles and the stretch marks and the likes of them, it can actually sink into your skin and do the work and lock in moisture also on your skin. And then you want to go in with your body lotion, okay, like so. You want to go in with your body lotion like so. Your skin is still going to be hydrated. Now if you really want to take it a notch further, okay, just to seal in that moisture, remember we said that body oils are supposed to lock in the moisture from your moisturizer or your body lotion onto your skin. You can go in with a second layer of your body oil. You can go in with a second layer of your body oil to lay that on this, and there, my darlings, you have it. Dear my darlings, you have it. Can you see? Can you see how moisturized this hand is? Can you see the difference between this part of my skin and this part of my skin? Look at how it is glowing and treating my skin at the same time, okay? So this is the right way to use your body lotion and your body cream together. Bonus tip before I end this video, my darlings, another way that you can use these two together to achieve their results is, you know, I know some of you do this. Don't ever do that. Stop doing that. It doesn't make sense. First of all, body lotions always also have, you know, one ingredient or the other that help to take care of your skin in a certain way, same as your body oils. Now when you mix the two of them together, you will make some of the ingredients in the body oil less effective. And especially if you're using a treatment body oil and you now mix it into your body lotion, it is actually going to reduce the effectiveness of that body oil. So you discover that an oil that is supposed to be brightening your skin, evening out your skin tone, is not doing as much, or might even end up making you darker because it is now interfering or interacting with ingredients it is not supposed to mix with, okay? Here, there is a reason why the people who created this product did not mix all the ingredients in your lotion into your body oil and brought it to you as a body oil. So please do not mix. What you want to do is to layer on each other. If you do not get or have an understanding of how you can actually layer them, please watch this video again, over and over again, until it makes perfect sense to you. Okay, you guys, let me log this up, okay, so that I don't spill my oil. Thank you. And that brings me, my darlings, to the end of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you have other questions? Let me also know in the comment section below, and I will be answering them. You guys, I'm in the mood to answer all your questions, so please drop them in the comment section below and I will be answering and attending to them immediately. Here on this channel, we do not hold responses, we do not hold replies. We are going to respond to all of you, even if people get to 1,000 comments, okay? We are going to respond to every single one of you, my darlings. Please remember to support this channel, and there are various ways that you can actually support this channel. First of all, you can hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Like this video, share out this video, leave a comment in the comment section below. When you do any of these things, it tells YouTube that people are actually interested in what we have talked about right here on this channel, and that we are giving out valuable information. This now encourages them to actually push our videos, this video and other videos on this channel, out to other people in Nigeria and around the globe, to also learn from the amazing things that we do and that we share on here on this channel. And also, please, you can also support the growth of this channel by clicking on our channel membership. Join our channel membership. There are amazing perks, okay, that I have for all my channel members. Once you click on that button, you are going to see all the perks. Choose the categories that you want to fall into. the benefits that you're looking forward to getting from being a member of this channel. Okay, those, and there is the thanks button, okay, you guys, which is so important. There is the thanks button, click on it. See me, the Igbo girl in me has come out. There is the thanks button, please click on it. That button is there for you to click on and to also support this channel in every way that you can financially, okay, you guys. And that brings me once again, my darlings, to the end of this video. If you have watched till this point and listening to all my soliciting, and please, thank you, I love you so much. You are the real bestie. Okay. Till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay safe, stay blessed, stay inspired, my darlings, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.